Okay, ma'am. So we would like to know about your academic profile, brief bio, and brief about your research that you presented at our conference.
Okay. So I am Dr. Maria Victoria Magayon from the Philippines. I am teaching research in senior high school, specifically STEM research. I am also the research coordinator of our school, and my focus in research is more on curriculum and also more on social science or on behavioral science. And one the research or the focus of my research, which I presented from the previous conference, is the follow-up topic of my previous research, which I also presented in the previous conference. This is more on profiling and more on how I can help the institution to handle a situation like we are now in the transition from the remote learning to face-to-face. So all my research focus now is more on profiling our students, their experiences, sentiments, and how they adapt the new situation for us to have a scientific approach to counterattack in whatever problem they are encountering now in this time of the implementation of face-to-face. Yes, that's the focus of my study.
All right. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your lovely introduction. So moving up to the next question, I would just like to ask that what was your motivation during the COVID to carry out your research and participate in the conference?
Okay, my motivation actually is I am as a researcher, and I handle or I counterattack or solve problem because I am also a guidance counselor in our school. So I solve problem or plan activities based on scientific data. So during the pandemic, we are in the situation that there's no point in time or space for trial and error. We as a researcher, my idea on those time that I need to implement programs and activities in our school based on the data, so that the target, the specific problem is the solution is targeted based on the profile and problems during that time. And I am encouraged or motivated to be in the conference because for me, the group or this organization or this platform, we can actually mirror or assess ourselves or us as an institution if we are at par or we are having problem in our part by simply listening to the researches of other researchers. So that is my motivation actually, to see what is the situation across the border.
Right, yeah. Right. That's really great, ma'am. All right, then. What is your opinion on attending an online conference rather than a physical during the pandemic?
Okay. For me, because I used to attend the face-to-face conference. So, online conference is we have no choice. We have no choice, but this is a good platform at that time. For me, if possible, uh, it is good for I rather prefer the face to face or on site conference rather than the online. Why? Because of the interaction of the researchers. But online, uh, we can accommodate, no, because the online platform, the reach of this organization is widened. So uh, those researchers that cannot afford to attend on site, or they can attend the online platform. So
Right.
that's my idea.
That's right, man. That's so true. All right, moving on to the next question. Would you suggest or encourage your friends and colleagues to attend a conference online?
Yes, actually, I am I uh, as of now, I'm encouraging my colleagues to attend conferences, either in online or in on-site, because this platform is really a big help for us researcher, for us to have a check and balance if we are already at par, or are we uh, are, am I in the same page with other uh, country?
Right, ma'am. All right. And I would just like to ask that I just want to know your positive feedback about the conference.
Uh, my experience both in on-site and online is I really amazed how your group organized, no, organize this conference, because in my part, I actually organize conference, culminating, it is a culminating activity for my students. But in your part, I think it's every other day you arrange or facilitate conference. So I really amazed now how you do this uh, arrangement or programming, how you coordinate for those researchers from other part of the country. So I think congratulations. That's why I really admire this group.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. And we are so grateful to have you here and about your words. So thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your experience with us. And we are so grateful to have you. And thank you for your valuable time. And it will be great, ma'am, to see you at our future conferences. So, ma'am, that was a quick chat session.
Thank you very much for having
Thank,
me,
thank
Dr.
you so much.
Thank you,
Oh,
Dr. Charles.
thank you. Thank you
Thank
so much, ma'am. Have a
you,
great day ahead.
Magayon. Bye.
Bye bye. Take care.